Welcome to the course and welcome to Generative AI for Business. Let's face it, AI is no longer a buzzword. It's transforming how businesses operate. But for most professionals, it feels overwhelming and you're bombarded with tools, trends, and techniques. But you're left wondering, where do I even start? How do I use AI practically in my daily business workflows? And how do I stay relevant while AI evolves so quickly? The real challenge? Most courses either go too technical or stay too generic. And that's where professionals like you fall through the cracks. And that's exactly why this course exists. By the end of this program, you will confidently know how to apply generative AI and ChatGPT in business setting, which tools to use and when to use them, how to increase efficiency and save time, and deliver customer experiences at scale. Now, this isn't just another theory-based course. It's a step-by-step blueprint to integrate AI into your real-world business workflows without needing to be a tech expert. So here is what to expect as you move through the course. Phase 1, you will understand the landscape. What is generative AI? How ChatGPT works in a business context? And why self-guided learning is the future. In phase 2, we'll explore real business use cases, marketing, sales, HR, content creation, and automation. Tool by tool walkthroughs, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, DALL-E, and more. Time-saving workflows that replace repetitive tasks. Phase 3, we'll have hands-on practicals, build our own AI workflows, create personalized content with ChatGPT, automate tasks like reporting, emails, and CRM updates, and complete mini projects and assignments to reinforce learning. In phase 4, we'll talk about ethics, trends, and future readiness, navigate AI bias, privacy, and responsible usage. We'll also talk about future trends that will shape your industry, how to stay adaptive and leverage AI ethically. Throughout the course, you'll get quizzes and assignments to test what you learn, downloadable templates and cheat sheets, mini projects to apply your skills to real problems. So you are here because you are ready to move from AI curious to AI capable. Now, this course is not about passive learning. It's about transformation through application. And by committing just a few hours, you'll walk away with an edge over your peers, AI powered systems working for you, and confidence in leading your business or team into the future. So let's begin. Head to the next lecture and post in the community. I joined this course because I wanted to use AI to insert your goal, and I'll be there to welcome you personally. Let's unlock the power of generative AI together.